Hi, P6. Welcome to our Math 6 class. And again, this is Miss Claire. In this video, we will continue Chapter 2, the number system. You will learn Lesson C, use of brackets. So you will learn on how to use brackets to alter the order of operations. This lesson is, I'm sure, quite familiar to you because we have learned this during your Math 5 class. Okay, P6, are you ready? Come on, let's start. Okay, let's start. I have here some markers. How many markers are there altogether? Okay, if we count the markers, there are 14 markers, right? But if we write an expression for it or a number sentence, how would we do this? Okay, like this, children, take a look. We have 4 plus, we have 5 times 2. So why we put 5 times 2? Because we have the same number. This is 5 markers in one box. And there are 2 boxes with the same number of markers. So we separate them with a bracket or a parenthesis. Now, which of these numbers we will compute first? Right, we will compute first the multiplication or the numbers inside the parenthesis. So 5 times 2, and that is 10. Next, we proceed to addition, and that is 4. So 10 plus 4 or 4 plus 10, and that is 14. So there are 14 markers. Okay, let's move on with other expression like this. Okay, take a look. Eddie has 5 bundles of markers. So the same markers. Each bundle has 4 blue and 2 red markers. Can the same expression be used to find how many markers Eddie has? Use unit cubes to represent the markers to show. And how would you write a new expression with a different order of operations? So we will try to answer this question during our class tomorrow. Be prepared, P6. Okay, I have here a problem. How many mangoes are there in each box? Take a look. Sarah wants to pack 72 mangoes equally into 8 boxes. 2 of the boxes are broken. She repacks the mangoes equally into the remaining boxes. So how many mangoes are there in each box? So how are we going to compute or calculate this? Take a look. So we have 72, right? 72 mangoes. Then we are going to pack them into 8 boxes. Okay, but 2 of the boxes are broken. So what are we going to do? We will subtract 2 from 8 because it's not exactly 8 boxes anymore. Then after that, she repacks the mangoes again. So we have 72 divided by, open parenthesis, 8 minus 2, close parenthesis. So which one we will compute first? Yes, the numbers inside the parenthesis, and that is 8 minus 2, and that is 6. Then proceed to division. So 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. So there are 12 mangoes in each box. Now, remember also, children, that we do the operation in brackets or parentheses first, this one. Now, what if, this one, what would happen if we divide before subtracting? Would you get the same answer? So what do you think is the use of brackets? So what if we divide 72 divided by 8, then subtract by 2? Can we get 12? Is our answer make sense? Okay, try to compute that you start division, then subtraction. I have here another problem. How many people went for the trip altogether? Okay, take a look. 8 classes went for a trip. Each class had 23 students and 2 teachers. 4 more teachers joined the trip later. How many people went for the trip altogether? So how are we going to solve this problem? Okay, take a look here. Let's make an expression or a number sentence first. So we have 4 plus 8 times blank. Okay, what is 4 here? What does 4 means? 4 means the 4 teachers that joined later. How about 8? 8 means the 8 classes. Then we multiply it by the numbers inside the brackets or parentheses. These two numbers that we will add all together are 23 and 2. 23 represents the number of students in one class and two teachers in each class. So 23 plus 2, there are 25. So in one class, there are 25 people. Multiply it by 8 because we have 8 classes. So that is equal to, so 25 times 8 is equal to 200. Then we just simply add 4 and that is equal to 204. So there are 204 people went for the trip altogether. Now, please take a look on this rule or the steps in solving numbers or problem like this. First, we multiply or we will solve the numbers inside the brackets or parentheses. Next, we will do the multiplication or division first from left to right. Next, we will add and subtract numbers from left to right. So these are the steps in solving problem like this. Okay, P6, take note. I have here a problem for you. Eliza bought 18 black pens and 12 blue pens. If the pens cost $4 for 5 pens, how much did Eliza spend altogether? Okay, for you to compute this problem easier, you can make an expression first or a number sentence. Remember the steps in solving. First, solve first the numbers inside the brackets. Second, do the multiplication or division first from left to right. And the third one, do the addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, P6, please prepare and give your answers during our class. Okay, P6, that's all about lesson C, use of brackets. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. Thank you for watching this video and I hope that you learned a lot. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and have a great day.